Are you ready to make a move on Advanced Micro Devices stock? Today, we're going to take a deep dive into Advanced Micro Devices. Our initial report was just the beginning, and now we're back with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our crucial updates. Stay ahead of the game and make informed investment decisions. Supercharge your trading strategy with our groundbreaking AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Access free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide today. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. Brace yourselves for some shocking news. As of October 13, 2023, our system has ranked Advanced Micro Devices as a sell candidate with a score of -3.75. But what impact has this had on the stock's performance? Let's dig deeper and uncover the facts. Prepare to be astonished. The stock has actually experienced a loss of -3.25%. Can you believe it? That's an average loss of -0.41% per day since it was labeled a sell candidate. Picture this, a stock caught in the midst of a wide and falling trend in the short term. But what lies ahead? Brace yourself for even further decline within this trend. Exciting, right? Now, let's dive into the numbers. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential -9.38% change over the next 3 months. That's quite a roller coaster. Prepare yourself for a possible return between -17.56% and -4.38%. Buckle up. But hold on, we're not done yet. Brace yourself for the 12-month trend, which suggests a jaw-dropping 55.32% change over the next year. Can you believe it? This could lead to a potential return between 53.08% and 127.51%. Now we're talking. And if you're wondering about the price range, get ready to be wowed. After a year, the stock could be valued anywhere between $155.64 and $231.31. Now that's what we call a wild ride. Get ready for some exciting updates on Advanced Micro Devices. Hold on to your seats as we dive into the latest stock market news. Advanced Micro Devices experienced a green day on Tuesday, with its stock price soaring by 1.66%. Can you believe it? On the last trading day, which was Tuesday, October 24, 2023, the stock price surged from $100.01 to $101.67. Throughout the day, the stock experienced a fluctuation of 2.42%, reaching a low of $99.38 and a high of $101.79. Quite a roller coaster ride, right? It's important to note that the price has dropped in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of 6.73% during this period. But wait, there's more to learn. Let's talk about volume. On the last trading day, the volume fell by 376,000 shares. In total, a whopping 50 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $5.08 billion. Keep in mind that falling volume on higher prices can indicate divergence and serve as an early warning for potential changes in the coming days. Something to keep an eye on. Now, let's take a broader look. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $132.82, while the lowest price was $58.03. Currently, the price is 23.45% below the 52-week high, which amounts to a difference of $31.15. Furthermore, it stands at 38.18% below the all-time high, which was achieved on November 30, 2021, with a price of $164.46. Quite a journey, isn't it? Hey there, fellow investors. Get ready for some exciting news about AMD. Let's dive into the latest analyst ratings for AMD. Brace yourselves for the first update. On Tuesday, September 12, 2023, Morgan Stanley gave AMD an impressive overweight grade with a hold action. Hold on to your seats for the next one. On Wednesday, August 2, 2023, Wells Fargo also bestowed an overweight grade upon AMD, along with a hold action. But wait, there's more. KeyBank joined the party and gave AMD an overweight grade along with a hold action. Prepare for some positive vibes. Susquehanna recently reported a positive grade for AMD despite the hold action. Last but not least, Bernstein gave AMD a market perform grade, also accompanied by a hold action. Are you considering investing in Advanced Micro Devices stock? Well, here's what the analysts have to say. Advanced Micro Devices stock has received a resounding buy rating from analysts. They believe the PE ratio deserves a strong buy rating, indicating great potential for growth. Additionally, the price-to-book ratio has also been given a strong buy rating, further bolstering the positive outlook for the stock. However, when it comes to return on investment, analysts have a more neutral stance. So, while the stock shows promise for growth, it's important to weigh the potential returns carefully before making a decision. Picture this, a stock that's been making gains in price, but its trading volume is falling. It's like a puzzle piece that doesn't quite fit. This divergence between volume and price could be an early warning sign. So, what's the deal with Advanced Micro Devices? Let's take a closer look. We've got some negative signals here, folks. The stock has sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages. That's not great news for the stock's future. And if we compare the long-term average to the short-term average, we see a general sell signal. The long-term average is above the short-term average. Not a good sign. Now, let's talk resistance. If the stock corrects upwards, it's going to face some resistance at $102.81 and $103.36. Those levels will be tough to break through. But if it manages to break above those levels, that's when we'll see some buy signals. But hold on tight, because there's more. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, October 10, 2023. Since then, the stock has fallen by -6.73%. And it's likely to keep falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Yeah, things aren't looking great for Advanced Micro Devices. And just to add to the mix, there's currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. So, it's safe to say that the outlook for this stock isn't too rosy. Looking for some interesting signals? Well, you're in luck. Check these out. First up, we have the Moving Average Convergence Divergence. It's showing a sell signal. Next, we have the pivots. And guess what? It's also indicating a sell signal, but that happened 11 days ago. Now let's talk about Bollinger. This signal is a bit different because it's actually a buy signal, but it occurred 23 days ago. Moving on to the short-term moving average. It's giving us a sell signal, and that happened 9 days ago. And don't forget about the long-term moving average. It's also telling us to sell, but that signal was 6 days ago. Now, let's examine the relationship between the short and long moving averages. According to the data, we received a buy signal 3 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. Here's what we found. The short moving average is indicating a sell signal, which occurred 6 days ago. As for the long-term moving average, it's also telling us to sell, but that signal was 35 days ago. Lastly, let's consider the relationship between the short and long moving averages. According to the chart, we received a buy signal 36 days ago. Exciting stuff, right? But wait, there's more. If you want to discover even more signals, head over to our page at StockInvest.us. Are you ready to dive into the world of Advanced Micro Devices? Let's explore the exciting dynamics of this stock. Picture this. Advanced Micro Devices finds solid support from accumulated volume at $101.49. This is more than just a number, it's a potential buying opportunity. Why? Because history tells us that when this support level is tested, an upwards reaction is likely to follow. But what about the risk? Well, with good trading volume and average movements during the day, the risk for this stock is considered medium. It's not too hot, not too cold, just right. In fact, in the last day alone, the stock moved $2.41 between its high and low points, representing a 2.42% change. And if we look at the past week, we see a daily average volatility of 3.02%, a sign of an exciting, dynamic stock. Welcome, fellow traders. Today, we're going to explore the exciting world of advanced micro devices and discover some potential game-changing trading levels. But before we jump into the action, let's take a moment to brush up on some essential fundamental data that every savvy trader should know. Firstly, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This nifty ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. Now, here's where it gets interesting. If a company has a negative PE ratio, it means they're either losing money or have negative earnings. Even the most established companies experience downturns, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could be a red flag, indicating insufficient profit and potential bankruptcy risks. In other exciting news, mark your calendars for the highly anticipated earnings report for Q3 2023, scheduled to be released on October 31, 2023. It's going to be an eventful day. Now, here's something that can have a significant impact on stock prices. Analysts' consensus estimates for the earnings report stand at a thrilling $0.680. Keep a close eye on these numbers, as they hold immense potential to shake up the market. Welcome, my fellow traders. Today, we dive into the exciting world of day trading and explore the potential levels for advanced micro devices. Brace yourselves for an upward trend, where the first resistance level for advanced micro devices stands tall at $101.80. If you're not yet part of the AMD family, hold your horses and wait for this level to be conquered before jumping into the game. However, for those who already possess this stock, keep an eye on this level for some lucrative swing trading opportunities. But what if the market takes a detour? Fear not, for AMD has its armor of support levels. The first line of defense comes in at $101.49. If this level proves its strength, it could be the perfect moment to enter the battlefield, anticipating a glorious rebound. Hey there! Want to know what the experts are saying about advanced micro devices? Well, their combined average rating from multiple analyst sources is a solid buy. But wait, there's more. Let's dive into some recent insider trades. Just recently, Lisa T, one of the top insiders, made some interesting moves. She bought and sold a whopping 150,000 shares or options in the company. That's definitely worth paying attention to. Now, here's something intriguing. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've crunched the numbers and the insider power is looking positive with a ratio of 12.725. That's a strong indicator of confidence within the company. And if you're wondering about the overall insider activity, here's the scoop. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased a total of 1,583,774 shares, while selling 1,197,256 shares. It's always interesting to see what the insiders are up to. We regret to inform you that our evaluation of this stock is leaning towards the negative side. Additionally, it's important to note that no stop loss has been set. Are you considering buying Advanced Micro Devices stock? Unfortunately, Advanced Micro Devices is currently facing several negative signals and is caught in a wide and downward trend. As a result, we anticipate it will continue to underperform in the coming days or weeks. Our evaluation of this stock is negative. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. On Wednesday, October 25th, we predict that Advanced Micro Devices will open with a decrease of $0.723 and begin trading at $100.95. Are you ready to take on the world of trading? But hold on, before you dive in, let's talk about a few important things. Trading can be risky, and it's crucial to have a clear understanding of the potential losses involved. That's why we strongly recommend speaking with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Now, here's the deal. StockInvest.us is a great source of information, but remember, it should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. You are responsible for your own investment decisions and the consequences that come with them. So, buckle up and get ready to navigate the exciting world of trading. Just remember to stay informed, seek professional guidance, and make wise decisions. Happy trading! Hey there, fellow stock enthusiasts. Get ready to dive into the exciting world of trading as we present to you our current view of the stock. But hold on, we want to hear from you too. Do you agree or disagree? Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and share your valuable thoughts. We're all ears. Oh, and before we forget, what's your target for the stock? We're curious to know. Remember, liking and subscribing to our channel will keep you updated with all the latest market trends. So, buckle up and get ready for a thrilling trading journey. Wishing you nothing but success in your trades and have a truly beautiful day, from all of us here at Stock Invest.